You want to learn how to make authentic Jamaican steamed fish and okra? This is a step-by-step recipe for you. Watch to the end. So this is the red snapper fish I'm going to steam. It already clean and scale. I just need to wash it with lime. Before I season the fish, we're going to make a couple slices on both sides just for the seasoning to marinate inside. Now I'm going to season the fish with my all-purpose seasoning. So after you season the fish, this is how you want it to look, seasoned to perfection. Make sure you get the seasoning in the head also and in the slice. So you want to taste the seasoning inside the fish. That is the reason why you cut it, so the seasoning could marinate, for you to taste this seasoning inside the fish. So this is the pan I'm going to steam the fish in. Now I'm going to turn on the stove. 1 tablespoon butter. Saute half of a small onion. 1 clove garlic. Going to add some pimento. Scallions. 1 stalk scallions. Scotch bonnet pepper. Going to add fresh thyme. Going to add red sweet pepper. Add carrots. Corn. Pumpkin. Now I'm going to season all the vegetables with 1 Grace fish soup flavored mix. Now I'm going to add a cup of water. I'm going to cover it up for it to come to a boil before I add the fish. Now it come to a boil. Going to add the fish. Add butter on top. Add okra. I'm going to cover it up, make it steam for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the fish is ready to serve. But here you have it. Steamed fish and okra. Going to turn off the stove. So here you have it. Authentic Jamaican steamed fish with okra. Look at this. Cooked to perfection. This is so good. Nice and tasty. I list the ingredients below the video right here, so check below the video right here to get all the ingredients.